Chev, Amgeli Lifeline. And we were called today at 4 o'clock to discuss on this particular issue. But at 2 o'clock, all of us, opposition, we got together and we drew certain conclusions. It is shocking to see that the Chief Minister, after his cabinet briefing, announces certain things based on this important issue of Madai. It is completely undemocratic. आमकां थिंगा कितें भाड्या बोयला जावं न्हू आपयले कितें आपयलें आमकां आतां चारांकू इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग आफ्टर योर कैबिनेट सो वी कंडेम दिस एटीट्यूड ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. Secondly, you all are all aware of the importance of Madai to Goa and Goans. Nearly 60% amgele je aaj dependence of Madai. I can say, I will not exaggerate, but Goa's existence also depends on Madai. Our flora and fauna, our nature, and the rich natural diversity, all of this depends on Madai. This government is hand in glove with the central government and with the government of Karnataka. आमका गोंयकारांक फाटीशेर करपाक उदका नांवान घेरा पेटोवपाक आज हो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. As opposition, and I मांडलें की we should all unite irrespective of our differences. I am thankful to all the opposition MLAs. We all came on one platform. I also requested the other MLAs from the BJP also, we should all gather. But it is sad to see that not a single minister nor an MLA speaks on Madai. And certain MLA ministers speak that this issue doesn't pertain to them. It is shocking. Today, 33 Amdar, they are all silent. Why are they silent? Because why are you silent? Why are you not fighting? This is not about the Congress party or the Aam Aadmi party or the Goa Forward party or RG or BJP. This is about Goa and Goans. We should fight together. The Chief Minister has announced, that he would lead a delegation, he and the WRD Minister, to the Prime Minister. Ask the Honorable Prime Minister and withdraw this DPR, failing to which you should resign on moral grounds. We will back you. You resign if you are unable to do it. See, the court, finally, justice will prevail. We all have faith in the court, but this is a political setup and our democratic rights. Though Sarkar, always they try to curtail it. We condemn such moves. We also resolved that immediately there should be a session called and we should discuss on a day on this. And even the press are not. They let the people know that which MLAs and which political parties are serious about Goa and Goans. Let us not fall prey. All of us are together. We will stand together to fight for the rights of Goa and Goans.